Kim69 here at SanAce, looking at their wonderful fans. What they have now is a silent fan series, and they say not only will it reduce the noise significantly, but it will also reduce the vibration. So what I'm going to do is a test. I have this really powerful microphone. Exciting stuff. And here is the normal one. Okay, I'll do that again. Here is the normal one followed by the silent one. So turn up your volume now. Kim69 here at Overclock, bringing you nothing but the most exciting video possible. And that's all from SanAce. See you later.